Well, I am no barber, and by no means I also need a haircut as well because of this COVID-19 mess. But today we're going to give good old Dylan here a haircut. Come here, Dylan. Dylan, come here. Yeah. So he wants to have a haircut today. So we're going to bring him up here, and by no means am I an expert at this, but this is a lot of fun to do this, and as you can see, they like to hang around, both of them do, to get a nice haircut. All right, so let's get started. There you go. Good boy, Dylan. Yeah. All right. What do you think? What do you think, Dylan? What do you think, Nixie? Alright, good girl. Look at you. Yeah, look at you. Yeah, it's a good girl. Okay, there you go. Alright. What do you think? Next. Alright, bring her onto the table. Alright, so this is Princess, and this is Willow. You guys look good. I know. Yeah, they got a nice new haircut, and this is Dylan. I'm glad he's got a blue collar on because I can't recognize him, huh, Dylan? Yeah, and how about Nixie? How about Nixie? Yes, you guys turned out great. Yeah, kind of hacked up little job here, but you guys seem to have fun, huh? Good job, guys. All right. So I'll put a link in the description down below of the table I used and the cutter. I found out that the new hair cutter that I'm using, it's great. And I use a number 3 and then a 000 for getting the hair mats off, because it cuts really close. Just got to be careful that you don't cut the dog or get it too skin tight. But other than that, they seem to be pretty relaxed and enjoying it. Have a great day, everybody.